I need an admin and a security guard to the library, please.
We are driving 300 miles to North Forney High School to surprise this legendary campus security guard with this limited edition Herff Jones Championship ring. And these kids have a plan in place to make this celebration extra blingy for the person they affectionately call Uncle V. Let's roll, y'all. We made it.
A few months ago, these students hit us up and told us about how awesome Uncle V is. And we knew immediately we had to put a ring on it.
I want the entire world to know Mr. V and understand just how great someone can be.
We call him Uncle V because he's like family to us. He's here every single day with a smile, always bringing positivity. He is keeping the school safe, but he's also keeping the school happy and keeping the school spirits up.
I think he makes people feel seen and comfortable.
So actually I was sick a lot of my time here. I got MS my sophomore year. Put in a wheelchair my junior years. Every time I'd get off the bus, he'd be there waiting for me. And he'd be like, oh, there's like my favorite niece. Like always there just to help brighten up my day. He was probably one of the few reasons I actually smiled my junior year.
Why do they call you Uncle V?
They can't pronounce my last name. It's French, it's Valier. My main job is to try and get them on the right path. If I can change one, I've done what I'm supposed to do.
What's your secret sauce to connect with kids?
Love, L-O-V-E. If you be honest with me, I'm gonna be straight with you and I'm gonna tell you the real deal, Holyfield. This is what gives me hope.
They've been planning a pay it forward prank for weeks.
He likes New Orleans Saints, he likes M&Ms, he likes candy.
Miss Smith, our principal, is gonna call a fake meeting with all the security guards to get him into the library. We'll have a series of gifts for him in the shape of M&Ms boxes because we know he loves M&Ms.
He's gonna have a Herff Jones ring that he's gonna give to them. It's limited edition. That's like the big surprise that we're doing for him today.
I think that plan has a nice ring to it. It's showtime, folks. Time to make the call.
I need an admin and a security guard to the library, please.
Uncle V, my name is Brent. I'm actually not here to do a school yearbook shoot. I'm here to celebrate you. You are leaving a legacy of love on this campus, and the world needs more people just like you, man. I appreciate you. I know family is really important to you, and so there's someone here that didn't want to miss this. She knows how much these kids mean to you, and we know how much she means to you, so let's bring up your wife right now. Jacqueline.
We really appreciate what you do for us, Uncle V.
On Monday, you asked me when we're gonna get you more M&Ms because you missed them from last year. So we got you a little something.
We have a cup for your coffee in the morning. As we know, you love your coffee, so you can also remember us, and you can always remember that you're a sunshine to your students.
So, I have a guest here with you. Those aren't M&Ms right here. Turn around real quick. Owen, come on out. So, we got one last little thing for you. This is a limited edition, first ever of its kind, championship ring from our friends at Herff Jones, and we want you to wear it with pride because you've left a legacy of love right here at this high school, North Forney. So, let's show them. Hey, where should we go next? Tell us about a legend on your campus that should be christened with a Herff Jones Championship ring.
Make sure you smash that like button. Drop a comment down below.